we get it. You've been searching for a home for a while now, scrolling through the options, but nothing seems to check all the boxes. You think to yourself, well, maybe let's just wait and see. Now, you can have your pick. 2 homes, each with their own unique attributes. The toughest choice you'll have to make is deciding which one. Masterfully constructed by Hickory Homes, these properties are just waiting for you to move in and call your own. Situated on generous lots on a quiet cul-de-sac, just seconds from Bloomfield. Not to be overlooked, this little town has fantastic restaurants, incredible breweries, and lovely shopping. Here you can have the best of both worlds, the peace and quiet of county life while still being part of a welcoming community. With all the amenities the county has to offer, just a skip and a hop away, what are you waiting for? Make the move or take the leap, and you too can call the county home.